Or have you fallen off your ladder while trying to put up your Christmas lights?
Has your house burned down due to poorly manufactured Christmas lights? Have one of those lawn inflatables impaled your eye while inflating? Or has your grandmother been run over by a reindeer?
If so, you might be entitled to a cash settlement. But don't take it from us. Just listen to some of these real testimonies from some of our real clients.
I slipped on some tinsel and broke my hand. Now I just look like Tiny Tim, but Kringle, Krumple, and Kramer got me $600 for my pain and suffering. I can't thank them enough. God bless us, everyone.
I had an allergic reaction to my local food store's fruitcake. At first, my eyes were watery, and I couldn't stop itching. Then, a few hours later, I blew up like a huge Thanksgiving parade balloon. But Kringle, Krumple, and Kramer got me $800, and now most of the swelling has gone down. I'll just stick to pumpkin pie for now.
Oh, I broke my tooth on one of those pre-made gingerbread cookies. In my opinion, they shouldn't be eaten and should come with a dental warning label. Kringle, Krumple, and Kramer got me $1,000 and a year's supply of Crest whitening toothpaste.
That's right. If Christmas has been hard on you, Kringle, Krumple,
And Kramer
will be hard on Christmas back and give you the extra Christmas money that you deserve. We both settle for less than the best, and neither should you.
I shot my eye with my new BB gun just like Mother said I would. Plus, I broke my best pair of glasses. Kringle, Krumple, and Kramer said I should have seen it coming since I wasn't wearing safety goggles and because Buzzard are always right.
Well, it's true. We can't help everyone. But if you injure your eye out, give us a call at 1-800-XMISS-PAIN.
Well, what are you waiting for? Don't let a holiday mishap get the best of you. Call 1-800-XMISS-PAIN to get the holiday pain and suffering money you deserve.